Just click on the text. Bas, click on the text. Go back, please. Slowly. Hole. Right. Rakesh. I am the mother of supply chain analytics, collecting all sales and inventory data into single tech platform, making supply chain data available to all 17,500 suppliers in 80 plus countries. Walmart is the right answer. Very easy. Okay. Next clue is for Setu. Setu, your text line comes here. Okay, I have used analytics in optimizing seed price. Results have shown revenues reaching $1.2 billion over 3 years. I have put fierce competitors like People Express out of business.
United Airlines.
Sorry?
United Airlines.
United Airlines is not the right answer. So we move to the picture.
I'll go for the choice.
Multiple choice, please.
American Airlines.
American Airlines is the right answer. Pradeep, your clue comes up next. I'm a company that started using analytics in 1980s to analyze sales parameters for product promos, marketing mixes, trade promos, coupon offers, etc. Which company am I talking about? Sorry? IRA. No, that's not the right answer. Picture, please. No, that's not the right answer. One shot. The picture clues here. You want to go for the multiple choice? What's your answer? Procter & Gamble is the right answer. Amul, your text comes. I'm a big 5-star hotel with a difference. I'm the one with solid brains for numbers. I use analytics to predict my room supply and availability with fluctuating demands. I'm a big 5-star hotel. Picture, please.
Is it Marriott?
I'm sorry, it does not help much. Sorry?
Marriott?
It is Marriott. Absolutely. Did you figure out Marriott from the lady out there?
I was thinking of the other comments.
All right. Because I couldn't have done that.
That lady looks like Paris Hilton.
Okay. Next is for Manish. Manish, your text clue. I became the leader in the sports industry by using analytics to my competitive advantage. It's a very famous case study, hence you have little of literature.
Red Sox.
Sorry, repeat that.
Red Sox.
Red Sox is the right answer. It's okay. Projecta. I'm a company busy doing optimal sourcing strategy for net-based business, determining the right mix of joint replenishment, coordinated replenishment, single sourcing, logistics, capacity, expansion, inventory, procurement, etc. I am a company busy doing optimal sourcing strategy for net-based businesses. It will be net-based businesses. Picture, please. Picture. Wait, don't go for the multiple choice. Sorry, Rajita? Are you done with the? Are you having the answer with you? You can come forward if you want.
Amazon.
Amazon is the right answer. All right. So we have the next questions for the audience. All right. We have one more for the audience, please. Audience. Usually mergers and acquisitions have tough times understanding each other's data. While managing my merger and acquisition with Fleet Bank, I did a solid operations analytics on Fleet Bank that helped me in understanding their real operational strengths as well as weaknesses. Who are we talking about? Which company are we talking about? Anybody?
Bank of America.
Bank of America is the right answer. What's your name? Puneet. Puneet, chocolate for Puneet. Wonderful. See, all of us do have a chance to catch up. That's why the course, the marks are that pretty competitive here. So we come to the final round. This is again a dry round, okay? And the marks scheme remains the same. 2 points for a right answer, 1 is for a pass. Okay? And we'll start with Rita once again. Rita, while SAS remains the global industry leader when it comes to data mining software, which open source analytical or data mining software is increasingly gaining acceptance in the market? R is the right answer. Okay, next. Manish. Genpact recently acquired a company to increase its presence and expertise in the retail, pharmaceutical and consumer packaged goods services industries. Name the company. Genpact recently acquired a company to increase its presence and expertise in the retail, pharmaceutical and consumer packaged goods industry. Name the company. Pass. Amol? Pass.
Symphony Marketing Solutions.
Symphony Marketing Solutions. That's the right answer. Okay. Next is to Pradeep. Are we getting close?
Next is to Amol.
Okay. Next is to Amol. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, Amol. Marketing companies or ad agencies use a particular analytical technique to evaluate the impact of various channels such as print, television, radio, etc. on sales volumes. This helps the company allocate marketing budget based on the effectivity of the channel to generate sales. Which analytical technique are we talking about? No, that's not what we're talking about. Marketing companies or ad agencies use a particular analytical technique to evaluate the impact of various channels such as print, television, radio, etc. on sales volumes. This helps the company allocate marketing budget effectively. Which? Sorry?
MROI, Marketing Return on Investment.
No, it's not marketing return on investment that I'm looking for.
Market mix modeling, or we call it media mix modeling.
Market mix modeling is the right answer. In a particular brand of analytics, which format or brand of analytics are we talking about? Omniture is the world's leading software application in a particular brand of analytics. Which format of analytics are we talking about? Pradeep, pass. Setu.
Web or online analytics.
Web or online analytics is the right answer. It's for Setu. Setu, your direct question. Okay. Who writes the blog Occam's Razor? Who writes
Avinash Kaushik.
the blog Occam's Razor? Sorry? Answer is?
Avinash Kaushik.
Avinash Kaushik. Avinash Kaushik is the right answer. Renowned expert on web analytics. He is the world-renowned guru on web analytics, and he is the person who writes Occam's Razor. Okay? Right. Rakesh. Rakesh, your direct question. In predictive modeling parlance, what is meant by the term lift? In predictive modeling parlance, what is meant by the term lift? In fact, the morning you know it. Sandeep?
Anything to do with upselling, helping out in upselling. Is it
Sorry.
that?
No, that's not the right answer. Rajata?
In marketing parlance, lift is basically the incremental over control that we get when we are sending